Hello, it's Tuesday, November 29th, and I'm Emily Douglas with MaxiForex Daily News. The dollar was inconsistent against the major currencies after a strong start to the week in stock markets following the U.S. shopping season and Thanksgiving Day, which caused higher-yielding currencies to be more attractive. Wall Street closed positive as the Nasdaq jumped by 3.52% and the Dow Jones by 2.59%. Crude oil rose by 1.5% following Wall Street's positive momentum, closing at $98.20 a barrel. Gold increased by 1.50%, finishing at $1,710 an ounce. Today, CB consumer confidence is expected to rise from 39.8 to 43.9. The euro closed around the opening rate after a volatile day versus the dollar, as mixed data was released in the eurozone and speculation that European leaders will boost efforts to end the debt crisis caused the pair to be inconsistent. The euro-US dollar has been straggling around the 133 level over the past day. The momentum continues to be negative for the euro and probably will continue to decrease, as the 20-day moving average on the daily chart supports a downward trend as well. The next support level on the 1-hour chart is located at 134.60, and breaking this level will probably lead the pair towards 134.30. Overall, the euro-US dollar traded with a low of 132.72 and with a high of 133.99. No economic news needs to be published. The pound was volatile against the dollar after data showed that UK house prices dropped last month, coming out to -19 versus the expected -12, and the British Chamber of Commerce cut its economic growth forecasts. In the end, the pound succeeded to close with a little profit as bullish markets aided the currency. As long as the Great Britain pound US dollar is trading below the 156 level, the pound continues to be bearish. The next support level is located at 154.50, and if the pair break down this level, we'll probably see it declining towards 154. Overall, the Great Britain pound US dollar traded with a low of 154.59 and with a high of 155.94. Today, nationwide HPI is expected to become negative from 0.4% to -0.1%, according to the autumn forecast statement. The yen weakened versus the other major currencies as global markets closed higher after last week's negative days led investors to stick with higher-yielding assets. The US dollar-Japanese yen's trend became positive after breaking the 77.50 level, and as long as the pair is trading above this level, the dollar continues to be bullish. Overall, the US dollar-Japanese yen traded with a low of 77.58 and with a high of 78.24. Today, industrial production is expected to become positive from -3.3% to 1.1%. The Canadian dollar rose versus the US dollar after positive momentum on the commodities markets, which drifted the Canadian to its earnings. As long as the pair is trading above the 102.80 level, the US dollar's momentum is still positive. The next resistance level on the 1-hour chart is located at 103.80, and breaking this level will probably cause the pair to continue to rise towards 104.50 or even higher. Overall, the US dollar-Canadian dollar traded with a low of 103.40 and with a high of 104.31. Today, current account is expected to be -11.3 billion versus 15.3 billion prior. Thank you for joining us today. For more information, please visit us at MaxiForex.ru for all your online trading needs. I'm Emily Douglas, wishing you happy trading.